Good evening, good afternoon, good morning from wherever you are watching from. This is the Moebius channel. You are welcome. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, and watch, and always leave a comment. And for those who are coming back, you are welcome. And you are always appreciated. Please continue watching my videos, give comments so that I can improve. And in our today's video, because of the weather, it is still cold. Okay, I decided to do my record keeping of my poultry. And to a farmer, or if you are a beginner or you want to be one, you have to know what is happening in your farm. You have to know what to do. And to me, it is something very systematic, simple, and it should be a complete record of what is happening in the farm. Because if you have dairy animals, you have to have records for that. If you have goats, the same. If you have sheep, the same. So for me, I'm doing poultry farming as a starter, although I want to venture in a bigger way. But for now, my record, the one I'm doing, is for the vets. If you call a veterinary doctor, you must, whatever he recommends, you have to write it down. If there is any disease that you have treated or encountered, when you call him for advice, you have to put it down so that when it happens again, you don't necessarily need to call the veterinary. Some things you can do them because they are simple. And if you are eager to learn, you don't need to always call them, because the poultry, if you follow the rules and the regulations, you get 100% profit. So the records keeping, you learn the finances. You must have cash for buying feeds, buying medicine, vaccination for the birds. You have to keep the records for all those things. You have also to keep a record of selling so that you know the prices. And as much as you keep the records, you must know when you have a peak. So you can keep your bands. You know when to start now keeping your bands for that season. So the records keeping also will help you. Like if in case you want to borrow finances from the bank, you have to tell them, they want to see your record, how you have kept it, the expenses, all of them, the costs. So then, because if they give you a loan, they know you'll be able to service the loan. As much as you have a record for your stocks, you must also have a checkbook. If you have a big farm, you must have a checkbook, you must have a receipt book, you must have a cash register or petty cash, where you sometimes you need some money and you don't have to remove from your pocket. You get it from the petty cash book, and then you keep the records of what you have used. Then it will make you keep your records very well, and you don't run short of anything. So that is what I wanted us to know today, because the records are very, very important. May it be records for anything or whatever you want. Even in your kitchen, you have to keep a record of what is happening, what you need to buy, what is finished. Otherwise, you don't have to run at night looking for salt and the tea leaves. So always you must have a record. A record is very important because it will keep you updated in everything that you do, and it will also make you aware of what is missing, what you have in stock, how much you have used, how much is remaining, when to restock again. So that is what a records book is for. So like for poultry, that is what I want to do. However small the however little the poultry the barns I have, that is what I'm doing. So wherever you are watching from, feel appreciated. You click the like button, and if you are new, again, you are welcome to subscribe and like and watch to the end. Don't be watching 2 seconds and then you leave. Be a good watcher and you'll be appreciated. Thank you for your time. Good evening, good morning, and good night, and good afternoon.